Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to set one-time view pictures on Messenger. So if you have privacy concern and you want to send a picture that could be only seen once on Messenger, I'll show you the easiest way to do it. So at first, you have to open the Messenger app by simply tapping onto its icon and make sure you're logged in with your account. Once you have opened the Messenger, now just simply open the chat where you would like to send the message for once. Simply open that chat and then you have to simply upload a picture. For that, either you can click the picture at the moment, or if you have the picture in your gallery, then you can click that option, and from your gallery you can select the media that you would like to send. Then you have to click on this edit option, and here you can see we have this one icon written there. This one you have to click onto it. Then it says view once, that means it is set as the one time view. Then you just have to simply send it, and in chat you can see there is no preview and the picture appears like one photo. That means the other person can only see this picture for months, and after that the picture will get deleted. So that's how you can send one-time view pictures on Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.